If you're brand new to Canva and don't even know how to add text properly, this video will help show you the fastest way to do it, plus a few beginner mistakes to avoid. First, open Canva and create any design. I'll just choose an Instagram post for this example. The steps are the same for any design size, really. To add text, go to the left-hand menu and click on Text. Then click Add a Heading. Canva will automatically place a text box onto your design. This is the fastest way to manually add custom text. Quick tip, instead of clicking text, you can just press the letter T on your keyboard. That instantly adds a text box. This shortcut saves so much time. To edit your text, click inside the text box and highlight it. From the top toolbar, you can change the font, adjust the size, change the color, and make it bold. To move the text, just click and drag it anywhere on the canvas. To resize it, drag from the corners. And you can rotate it using this handle at the bottom and place it anywhere in your design you would like. One beginner mistake is adding too much text in one box. Instead, break your text into separate text boxes. This makes your design easier to edit and looks way more professional. And that's it. To add text in Canva, either click text and choose a heading or press T on your keyboard. Then customize it from the top toolbar. If you're learning Canva as a beginner, subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials. Until next time, bye.